Hello everyone and welcome. I'm Madeline Pryor, coming at you from 3Dnatives HQ. We had the opportunity at RAPID TCT to look at a very interesting application for 3D printing in aerospace. Our team at the scene went to Sintavia, a pioneer in metal additive manufacturing for high-performance components in aerospace. Founded in 2012, the company specializes in the use of metal 3D printing for precision-engineered components for OEMs and Tier 1 suppliers in both aerospace and defense. Their facility in Florida is equipped to handle the entire design, production, and quality testing process, ensuring repeatable, high-performance parts that meet the industry's strictest standards. What really sets Sintavia apart is their end-to-end control of manufacturing, from printing to post-processing and metallurgical analysis. Their AS9100 certification and ISO 17025 accreditation guarantee consistent quality, making them a trusted partner in aerospace innovation. To understand the impact of metal 3D printing in aerospace, we spoke with an expert from Sintavia about how their technology is reshaping the industry.
At Sintavia, we leverage our understanding of the additive process to create parts that would be impossible to create using traditional manufacturing means. Typically, some of these parts would be over 400 different components that have to go through the entire process of validation and part qualification individually, and then they're going to be shipped to the customers and they'll have to handle the assembly of the process themselves. At Sintavia, we simplify that by producing one solid part that comprises of all 400 of those subcomponents. This allows us to cut down on lead time significantly within the manufacturing process. Typically working with aerospace and defense, there's a lot of post-processing to the printing process that needs to occur, but Sintavia leverages our vertically integrated company to be able to handle all the testing, qualifications, and everything else that goes with the manufacturing process.
As additive manufacturing continues to evolve, companies like Sintavia are proving that metal 3D printing is not just for prototyping, it's the future of aerospace production. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more updates from the 3Dnatives team.